Where can we touch them?
You need to purchase a ticket for that, and you can do that just experience right there.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you can pay to touch them. Ooh, how cute.
Bye, Kangaroo. Have a good day.
Where? At home?
Yeah, you know how like one day, like all the cockatoos come to our house and then we feed them with our seeds of birds. We call them
Oh.
cheeky because they are.
Oh. I see. I see.
Males have like a green blue,
Blue.
and a bit less.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see.
the male and female has a difference.
I see.
Because they can't be the same.
Yeah. You have to know the difference.
Because imagine if you have the pet of the same type and
Mm-hmm.
they look the same. They look the same, and you don't know which one is blah 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 or blah blah blah.
Yeah. Look at this.
Look at the photo.
Ah.
Sorry, buddy. I gave him.
Oh my gosh. He's comfortable.
In this case,
Yeah. Welcome to Brisbane, everybody. So today we're heading over to Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, where we'll be getting the opportunity to feed some kangaroos as well as seeing some koalas up close. Hopefully I'll get to hug the koalas. Not sure if that's going to be possible, but I know for sure I get the opportunity, or I'm going to get the opportunity to feed some kangaroos.
would you like some?
I got some free kangaroo food, so I'm able to feed the kangaroos. I got some food from someone for free, which was awesome. Now with some kangaroos, I'm gonna feed them. Is that one brown? Look at this. You want to see if I'm telling the truth? There I am. I'm right there. Look at this baby. Why does it look like this? I don't know the name of this thing. Look, it looks like an ostrich, but it looks different.
Oh my!
Some of them are brown like this and has such smooth color. These things are definitely not wild because they ain't kicking us. Or maybe because they're babies. What is he doing? It's full. It doesn't need anything else to eat. I'm trying to find a hungry one, but I don't think I'm gonna find a hungry kangaroo right now because everybody's feeding them. I'm not going over there, it's too far. I'm just gonna feed one at the front. Look at them drinking water. How cool. This is one thing I wanted to do for sure, and I'm happy I get the opportunity to do it. I took a bus from Central. Kangaroos are full. They are full, full, full. They can't eat anything else. Everybody has been feeding them, man. Look at this one. Here. Do you want anything to eat? No? No? Ah, good kangaroo. Good. Ew. Ew. You just messed up my hand. Wait. You just messing up. Oh my gosh. Your mouth is nasty. You're messing up my hand. But it's fine. What? No. No. No, 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 no. You're not getting my food. You're getting your food. I realize you want to eat my food. No, no, no. Eat yours. Oh, God. Alright. There. This thing, I think they're smelling my food. And it's like, something smells better. You're not getting my food to eat. Eat yours. Let's see. Ugh. Woo. Nice. No?
¿Qué música pongo? ¿Qué canción? No sé. ¿Qué dice? ¿Pero qué dice? No sé. Esa.
It is like an arm.
¿Esa? ¿O tiene
So
otra?
cute.
Usted tiene otra. Saliana, mira cómo se llama la. ¿Ah? Perfect.
No, mira, estoy saltando.
Pero, ¿cómo se dice perfect?
Perro.
Mami, él está muy hambriento porque está dormido y todavía come.
So after feeding the kangaroos, which was an amazing experience for me, I took a walk to see some other kinds of animals like this bird you see behind me here, which I believe is only found in Australia. I also saw the tree kangaroo. Yes, that's what it's called, a tree kangaroo. And some other animals like sheep, goats, pigs. Those are common animals. Donkeys, they have 2 donkeys, as well as some other animals that I didn't record. But the fun part about it is that you can also see a sheep show if you want to see a sheep show, or an eagle show. I went to see the eagle show. It was a fun experience, and it's a fun place to be. So head on over with your friends or your family or by yourself. You will definitely enjoy your day. This is fat. Oh my gosh. The sheep's wool is like so thick, and today is so hot. Okay. Donkeys. This is a huge place, by the way. By the way, some of these animals, they were sleeping or hiding because it was so hot and it was midday. So it was understandable. Unfortunately, I didn't get to hug any koalas because they no longer allow it. But you can pay around $37 to stand next to it and take a lovely photo. That I wasn't gonna do, so I just left it at that. I get to see them eating for the first time because I'm always seeing them sleeping. So that was a bit of a better experience for me, seeing the koalas. Oh.
Excuse me, sorry, I was going to be turning around here.
I don't get this. What is this? Cape Town. So I don't have Kingston. Yeah, I see everything. Where is Kingston? They should have somewhere and call it Kingston. At least, you know. They have Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou. Why do you have so many of one place? And they don't have some places. These things are everywhere. Just chilling.
Hello! Very cute. This is Milo, guys, and Milo is our eastern barn owl. These beautiful birds are actually found in every continent in the world, apart from Antarctica. It's a little bit too cold for them down there. But Milo is going to fly right over your head, so please keep your eyes on her as she comes in nice and close. Good girl. Now, she actually has the ability of silent flight. She has got soft grey feathers all over her body. That's actually giving her the ability to cut through that turbulence really nice and fine, good girl, without making a wing beat. So on this next flight, my eyes are going to be really quiet for me. Let's see if you hear anything. Can you guys hear any flapping over your heads? Oh, you've got very good hearing then. So she is meant to be quite quiet. What a beautiful entrance. Got some wind on you today. Woohoo! There's not much breeze out here, but that was a run-up, Lukey. Hi, big girl. Let's give it up for her. What a beautiful lady. So 31 years old, guys. Isn't she an absolute stunner? Beautiful girl, and we're still hoping to have her for a really long time. Hi, mate. Just grab a seat for me, please. Thank you so much. She is not secure. She could fly into you any moment. Grab a seat, sir. Sorry, guys. Thank you. Please grab a seat. Thank you. So, unfortunately, Lukey does not like her men very much. Just a heads up to the boys. Loves her ladies. Not a big bloke fan. So, Lukey is going to get her lovely big gorge out the front here, guys. So, she's getting a yummy piece of food. Big jackpot to say, well done. What a beautiful flight. Now, she's going to come nice and close to you guys. So, please stay in your seats and you can get some nice close-up photos. Now, I Luca here. She's a white-bellied sea eagle. What do you reckon her favourite food is? Fish, nailed it. So she loves fish, crustaceans, eels, sometimes even sea snakes, which are actually venomous. So that's pretty cool as well. Now, as Luca is coming around, please have a close look at her legs. So she's only got feathers that go halfway down. So this actually allows her to rake through the water in search of a fresh catch. Then they continue eating on the wing. It's an amazing way these birds conserve energy. Oh, very cute little honk there, Lukey. So she might get a little bit more into it, guys, but she's a beautiful, majestic bird. But when she talks, she kind of sounds like an angry goose. It's quite funny when she really gets into it. So definitely, if you hear that vocal call today, keep your eyes peeled for a white-bellied sea eagle. Very cute little lady. She's going to eat a whole mouse in front of you guys. So don't take your eyes off her. If you blink, you will miss it. Ready, Juno? Yum, no! Oh, lucky girl. Straight down the hatch. There it goes. Let's give it up for her. Woohoo!
Wait, I don't think I might have seen the red-tailed cockatoo.
Yeah?
But just in my school.
Oh. That's Anything
I
else
saw
is
it
here?
flying.
In the trees?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Matthew had lots of trees.
Oh. So a lot of animals are there, eh? Okay.
One day a brown snake was found in my school.
Really?
Yeah. Do you remember when we saw millions of
What
those
is this?
in a aquarium? I want to go back there.
These things are huge.
Look, this one. Look, I like that one. Not that one.
Look at this.
That one, and that one.
Wow.
They are so cute. This one has a small head, kind of.
Yeah, 3 different kinds. Or 4.
Yeah. Like the biggest is the gray-headed flying fox.
Oh.
I think that's the
Name?
I think that one's the biggest.
Okay.
Oh, bye.
Bye-bye.